Why don't people understand invisible headache pain? Imagine telling someone you have a headache and seeing their puzzled look because they can't see any injury or sign of pain. That's because headache and migraine pain are invisible. They come from inside your head, involving complex nerve and blood vessel processes that others can't see or measure. And like a cut or bruise, these internal processes don't leave a mark or swelling. When someone has a headache, it's caused by irritation of nerves and blood vessels around the brain. These nerves send pain signals to the brain when inflammatory substances like calcitonin gene-related peptide are released. But these signals happen inside your head, so no one can see or touch them. The brain itself doesn't have pain receptors, so the pain comes from the membranes and blood vessels around it. That's why the pain often feels like it's in the temples, eyes, or neck, even though it's actually inside the head. During a migraine, the pain can be one-sided because of how inflammatory signals are transported to specific nerves on one side. This internal activity also causes symptoms like light sensitivity, which is caused by activation of retinal cells that influence pain pathways. These internal processes are hidden from view, making it hard for others to understand how severe the pain really is. When doctors assess headache pain, they relying on what the patient reports because there are no objective tests to measure pain levels directly. This subjectivity can lead to others doubting how bad the pain really is, especially since there are no visible signs like swelling or bruising. Because the pain is internal and invisible, people often underestimate its impact. Caregivers and healthcare providers must depend on detailed descriptions and pain scales to understand how much pain someone is experiencing. Treatments that target nerve pathways or use neuromodulation techniques work by influencing these internal signals, showing how complex and internal headache pain really is. So, the reason people don't understand invisible headache pain is because it's rooted inside the brain's nerves and blood vessels, without external signs. It's a pain that only the person experiencing it can truly feel and describe, which makes understanding and empathy so important.